Hello everybody, my name is the Gaming Zombie, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing the Corsair K55. Okay guys, now we have the Corsair K55 laid out right for us, right here, and now we're going to open this thing up. This thing's got like 6 programmable macro keys. It's got dedicated volume multimedia controls. It's got multiple RGB backlighting modes and immersive effects. So I'm really excited. The box it came in is pretty sick. I love it. You know, I've seen this thing like hanging around Best Buy somewhere, and wow, this is it. This is the box the keyboard comes in, and you know, I'm gonna try to move this over here, and let's see, open this up. There we go. Alright, so let's take this coating of plastic off. So you can see right here, we got the Corsair keyboard, and we got the cord and everything for it, and that's a pretty sick cord, man. It looks pretty cool. So let's look at it right here. That's the keystrokes. Yeah, it feels really good. Membrane keystrokes, and mine has the yeah, that feels pretty cool. It sounds pretty quiet. It almost sounds like my other one, but this one has like a lighting effect too, and it's got a wrist rest for it. So I'm excited to use that. It's cool. I'm just messing around with it. This is what the keystrokes sound like. So just letting you guys know that. So that's what it sounds like. And now we're gonna plug this baby into the desktop. Oh wow, look at that. That's the keyboard right here. You can see it's look as it just starts lighting up and stuff. There's awesome cool effects. It looks sick. Like you can fully see all the colors on the camera too. I love it. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Those lighting effects are awesome. Wow. That's sick, guys. Wow. It's got like media controls too. Oh yeah, and it also has one button here, which is really important to use when gaming. Is that Windows button you can see right there. So this button right here is a lock for pressing the Windows key. So I'm gonna press the Windows key. You're gonna see Windows thing pop up, and then I'm gonna press this button, the Windows lock button, and now I can't even press it. So sometimes if you're gaming, you might accidentally press the Windows button, and that key basically locks the Windows button so you don't mistakenly press it on accident. So I found that really awesome, guys. And we got a whole bunch of macro buttons, so you can basically just like, I think it's this button that you press to do macros and stuff, macro recording. Alright guys, so this is what the keyboard looks like. We're gonna go ahead and put on the wrist rest for this thing, and you know, basically see what it's like, how comfortable it is, and then just give it a overall rating. Okay guys, so I put the wrist rest on, and it feels really comfortable. Like I could probably use this thing for like forever and just feel comfortable. It feels a lot more comfortable than my TechNet, which is just like this plastic, you know, just like uncomfortable feeling. But when I use it on this thing, it's flat like all across, so I can just put my hand in like any direction and it would feel comfortable, unlike this thing where it's got this like gap. So that's That's the difference between the wrist rest for this and the keyboard that I had on it before. Is, you know, it doesn't even have a wrist rest. It just feels like uncomfortable against the against this wooden table. So I give this thing like an 8 out of 10 because I wish it had better switches. We got the wrist rest for everything, and we got this awesome LED keyboard. I'm so excited, and I hope you guys are too, because lots more videos are coming out, and I'm going to be ordering another mouse so we can unbox that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.